After a long, long while, I'd love again. You said hello.
Like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Yeah, I know, when I compliment her, she won't believe me. And it's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look okay?
Every day is so wonderful, and suddenly it's hard to breathe.
Happy birthday. More happiness. Stay kind and kind and kind. Pakabait ka sa Manila, ha? Huwag mong pababayaan yung sarili mo. Ha? Yung likod mo, baka nababasa ka na ng pawis, kapatid. Ha? Yung mga manliligaw mo, pag yan mga manliligaw mong yan, pinaglololoko ka, talagang bubugbugin ko yan. Basta ang importante, manlibre ka pagka sahod mo. Happy birthday and God bless. We love you. Mwah mwah chup chup. Okay?
I am beautiful, no matter what they say. Words can't bring me down. I am beautiful in every single way.
Bulaga! Gulat ka no, kapatid? Happy birthday! Ang tanda mo na, loka. Pakabait ka dyan, ha? Yung mga maliligaw mo, sabi ni kuya mo, susi ka pa naman. Basta kapag may free time ka, uwi ka lang dito. We love you!
Can't bring me down. I am beautiful in every single way. Yes, words can't bring me down. Oh, no. So don't you bring me down today.
Your brother is not a pig. Hindi, seryoso na. Ay, hindi, joke na lang. Hindi, to my beloved sister, happy birthday, and please observe silence. Please observe our love for you. Your friends, they love you so much. And please observe cooperation in our family. We will do it together as one. And observe water. Please observe water. Ay. Conserve ba yun? Conserve.
Left the puzzle undone. Ain't that the way it is? 'Cause you are beautiful, no matter what they say. Words can't bring you down. No, no. You
Dude, happy birthday. Stay pretty now, dude.
So don't you bring me down today. No matter what we do, no matter what we do, no matter what we say, no matter what we say. Yeah.
Hi, Tita Negs. Happy birthday. Balik ka agad dito pagkatapos mo magtrabaho sa Manila. Namimiss na kita. Happy birthday, Tita Negs. Sana bumalik ka na dito. May papakita kami sa inyong sayang prize yung birthday mo. Handa pa rin namin yung para sa'yo kahit hindi mo birthday, kahit nasa may isa pa. Yun muna, yun muna yung papakita sa'yo, tapos ako na. Tandaan mo yan, Tita Next. Love you.
So don't you bring me down today. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, yeah. Don't you bring me down today.
Happy birthday, Christine. Anak. Sana tuloy-tuloy na yung trabaho mo. Sana makamit mo ang yung mga dreams. At alam ko kaya mo yan. Dahil nakita ko sa iyo yung dedikasyon, lakas ng loob. I wish you all the best in life. Ingat ka lagi. And we love you.
Don't you bring me down.
I just want to greet you a happy birthday. May you have more birthdays to come. Sana anak, matupad mo yung wish mo. At wag ka munang mag-aasawa. Sana hindi ka magbabago. Sana magkakasundo kayong magkakapatid. Mahalin mo mga kapatid mo. At huwag kayong nag-aaway. At sana din maging mas malapit ka pa sa Diyos. At magkaroon ka ng time para mag-serve din gaya ko. Love you, anak.
We are beautiful in every single way. Yes, words can bring us down. Oh.
wish ko sa'yo, sana mahanap mo na yung malaki. Huwag ka na maghanap sa kung saan-saan. Yun na lang kay ano mo na. Pero kahit anong lahi pa yan dun, sana mahanap mo na. Happy birthday! We wish you! Love you!
Miss you, Doti!
Tatanda at lilipas din kayo, ngunit mayroong awitin.
Mira, en Barranquilla se baila así.
Yeah, she's so sexy, I am in fantasy. A refugee like me back with the Fugees from a third world country. I go back like when Pac carried crates for Humpty Hump. We lead a whole club dizzy. Why the CIA wanna watch the Colombians and Haitians? I ain't guilty, it's a musical transaction. Boop, boop, so boop, no more do we snatch rope. Refugees run the seas cause we on our own boat.
I'm on tonight, my hips don't lie, and I'm starting to feel you, boy. Come on, let's go, real slow. Baby, like this is perfecto. Oh, you know I'm on tonight, my hips don't lie, and I'm starting to feel it's right. The attraction, the tension. Baby, like this is perfection.
No fighting, no fighting, no fighting.
No fighting.